No, I have to look at Govindra Ji and start. Dear colleagues, good morning to all of you. As usual, retirement day la pesara euphoric talk, what do you call it? அவங்க ரம்யா இங்கிலீஷில் பேசுகிறாங்க. இவர் வந்து என்ன மணி பிரலாபமாப்பா தமிழ் இதுவும் கலந்து பேசுகிறீங்க. எனிவே டு டெல் திங்க் ஷார்ட்லி, in fact I am only thankful to my association with my earlier product, that is nuclear products, which only gave me an eye for detail. I started as a methods engineer in 84. Joined DHL as engineer training. Right from that day, I have been working mostly technically. I used to have that proud moment in life. Only engineers should run the company, and you should, after having graduated in engineering, you should do only engineering. At least 10 to 15 years you should work as an engineer. So I strongly believed in. Subsequently, when I wanted to go out, nobody thought I should be relieved from the department. He become an indispensable man. No, there is no replacement. In fact, whatever fresh air Ramya and others were referring to, I had a fresh air only in 2008. Till such time, I think up to SDJM, I was ET, I was SDJM. No one below me. That is one of the reasons I used to do it by myself. Because subsequently there is a big gap. Maybe 2000 and all, people joined maybe in small numbers. Not many were posted to ATP. ATP, not many people were posted because the boiler is big business. So we never had any subordinates. That is why when I observe people here, they need to be supported. To work as an engineer, you need a good support as a supervisor or below. So I strongly believe that at every level, if you start, people start doing it, definitely company will achieve much higher than what we are doing today. So I have been doing up to 2008 mostly, and lot of youngsters like Madan, Karthik. Subsequently, every batch we used to get ATP. At that time, we had nuclear orders which was pending. So a lot of people were infused into the department. Where I used to meet a lot of young people. After a long time, you meet someone really young, will support you. Definitely, you have a double bliss. You forget about your work. In fact, that was a peak time. The entire ATP modernization single-handedly I did. The entire department was doing as an individual ATP modernization. Because I used to get very good support from youngsters. A lot of good people were there. I basically believe in individual hard work as well in teamwork. Individual hard work you can do, but you can at least make it double. But teamwork, you make everyone work at full capacity. That is endless. So that is what I realized. And as Madan told, many times I have been ruthless in my. You have seen me only smiling and talking to you in a friendly manner, because I have been subjugated to so much of work pressure. And I used to take work lightly, but even then, never getting support. People don't understand. And people talk only in terms of turnover. People don't understand whatever technical feats. In fact, I can list number of things right from Narora days to today, 3SG. Lot of heat exchangers, pressure vessels, almost in each. Like Nandakumar was telling, I don't know, still he remembers the heat exchanger pressure vessel also I was doing additional to my regular ATP one for nearly 4 years. So my life has been like that. So I never felt the pressure of work to be there. So when something going wrong, I thought irrespective of people, whoever tells, I will straight on the face I will tell. In that time, many times people may not like, especially seniors. Juniors will forget. Maybe they will tell he is my boss or something like that. But subsequently I will talk to them also. Not that I want to shout at them. I never bossed over people. I never believed that just be a boss, bossing over people will never work. Maybe for a short time it will work. Temporarily it will work. But you have to be a leader, you have to set example. And, maybe when I went to special project area, subsequently I thought because that time ED felt that more exposure is required, more areas, because ATP can now come to some stage. So, and I was lucky that I was posted to spares business and R&D. Here I found, though the area was totally new, because I have worked in shop floor and I have almost worked in all functions in DHL, that too culture and all, especially worked with a lot of youngsters. I find this place is very nice, and people are all very good. People are really good. One thing I believe is people are good. Like Takuchi, Japanese scientist says, nothing is waste in this world. Nothing is bad in this world. Everybody has got potential. Only thing it is up to us to derive the potential in the individual, and we have to utilize it. As Napoleon said, there are only bad officers, there are no bad soldiers. So we have to get the maximum output from people, especially when you get the department. And I could find lot of young people. The Sriram Mandal, even before I joined, I know. One day Govindraji came along with him. He told how dramatically he carried something in the train, went to site, something like that. Jajjara. So I know, but I have been spotting people everywhere. One thing even our earlier reading used to tell. I used to spot people who are all doing good work. Like Shivashankar was because he was really contributing. Not that I remember everyone. I know some people who are. Solay Raj, I know him very well right from M&S, how much effort he has taken and all. So people are basically good. The only thing we should have is lack of appreciating people or recognizing what the contribution they do. And irrespective of department, that we should. That is what I feel. In fact, at some point I have even shared with people that at times we have this area means no. Nuclear means nobody knows what is going on there. Because it doesn't fetch any turnover. That kind of view should not be there. People are good, and after all, in DHL, I will tell you that at all levels, whether worker, supervisor, executive, are all best cream come to DHL. And they are all very good basically. And the percentage also, I will definitely lay even much better than public sector. Only thing, we have to get the work done through them, motivate them properly, lead them in the proper direction. That is what I have been doing. And in spares department, there are a lot of, in fact, when I came here, as Divyanathan was telling, I had a lot of interaction because I wanted to know more about you people, that's all. And having known about you, and the kind of work environment, the kind of teamwork you have had, definitely I thought, yes, people here can do it, not much of intervention. Of course, in some locations, whether it is medical help or non-moving inventory or wherever my intervention is required, I should whether getting clearance from NTPC or talking to some external customer like Govindraji was telling me. Wherever my intervention, otherwise, these are all areas where I had to concentrate. Then management thought that I should be given additional responsibility. So I was fortunate that SSTP, subsequently WRA in lab, and then HSC was. In each and every area, I thought to best extent possible, I wanted to just Namke Vase, I don't want to add something. I want to do something impeccable, as Ramya was telling, something I should do. When I am there, I should do something good. This is what I thought. But unfortunately, last 2 years we had this pandemic also. Our efforts were subdued. But with all that, spares, in fact, none of you have mentioned, spares was the first group who opted for work from home. In fact, and every day collection was 1 crore. Yes, am I correct? Every day, that 45 days or 35 days or something.
68 days. I collected 60 crores.
60 crores, excellent. That is your excellent achievement. Work from home and then cash collection. Both were really. I used to tell PSGD, this past group has done a wonderful job. People don't realize unless you project. People don't even realize that they have done this much of work. So I thought spares should be brought to limelight whenever possible. I have told them. And but for the routine good work done by you, I would not have been able to discharge my duties in either in SSTP or in WRA lab or in HSC also. Because last few months I have been working very hard for HSC also, for some consent order and all that. I was able to devote time, but my start and end both were here only. Morning I will come here, night I will go from here only. Nevertheless, I used to meet a lot of people. I used to tell most of the time Ismail will come back. After going out, you will see my car and then come back. So I used to meet Govindraju is another person who used to meet me, and I used to get feedback. I used to keep tab, and the way in which you people do definitely wonderful work. Unfortunately, the present business scenario is not good, but I am really hopeful that with our positive outlook, both in business as well as in the environment, I think we will be able to get more business, and we should make business out of this thing. We must be able to quote in a competitive way. That is what we have to do. And delivery. That is why initially when I had interactions with you all, delivery is one place, especially shop, because I was very familiar with the shop people. In fact, many of times I have called even shop people also for meetings. So 4 meetings I used to have every week, and then I have interacted, and I was able to get support from shop floor. So in fact, I have been demanding even in BAT meetings also, we should have 2 bays per spares, and then they will give spare capacity to parcel pilot. That way I used to talk. In fact, we have even put on record also. Unfortunately, those things are yet to get materialized. That is there, yes, spares will get that. Same is the case. One good initiative done by spares group is AMA. But with the AMA and our own SSTP, I think mostly tubes supply as well as plate availability, making coal nozzles available. So those things also we can. There are still greener avenues. Still we can do much better. And business can be taken forward. But no doubt this is a dull period. And wherever diversification or other spare part supply is concerned, we have to look out. We have to be, especially R&M also, we have to give a lot of thrust. We have to go in aggressive way. A lot of good people are there. I have seen these 2 people toiling really. In fact, such youngsters only. That's why my faith is again proved that yes, youngsters can do wonders. The only thing you have to assign them and give them a freedom to work, support them. I have even felt that I have not supported them fully. I think R&M group will be supported. I have made a special request to GMIC because a lot of projects they are doing. Morning also I was discussing with GM's person. So definitely you will get support. And remaining years to come, I think you will definitely, even though team is small, you know very well that you will all take it to bigger heights. Especially I think this bad debts and the provisions. I think she has also done excellent work as an individual. And whenever she presented, she used to present very well. I find that people in their own domain, people doing R&M or Balaji about building 50 issues, and many times we have interacted. Almost each and every one I know associated with some problem. People are Ravikant, he tells more about valves than anyone in valves. Many times, in fact, I have had meetings with him with the GM valves at that time. So these were the initial days. I could spend a lot of time with you people as well as other departmental heads. Subsequently, because the team here is so good, I can stretch myself to some other area. That is what management felt. Anyway, I should thank each and every one of you for giving me the support, cooperation, whatever way you went. No doubt, I had a wonderful, breezy time here. Even though after tempest season at ATP, even though I used to be much worried and much work out, even much more than this. Because there at night you cannot see me after 7:30. There night also I will be available. Day and night I used to, that is why I have anyway, I have had a really very good experience with working with all of you. Thank you for all the love and affection. Thank you for hosting a function like this. And thank each and every one of you, LCS staff, who are all kind enough to support me, Sanjeevi, Madam, support, secretarial staff. Because you people, I believe, as I told earlier, if a person who is designed to do some work is doing that work, definitely you will be much more efficient. If you start taking a Xerox copy, going all the way to second floor or first floor, then you spending time like this, I will try to improve your situation. So that way, see, even for sites sending to people also, I have told engineer level people going. In fact, our Mashar Ali, I don't know where he is. Kottagudem means Mashar Ali. Krishna Patnam. So that way people are working, dedicated people. Anyway, Anand Kumar also, I know that you worked in tough floor, you contributed very well. I never knew that you had this kind of problem. You toiled as usual, as any person from operations would have put in hard work. You have done your best to the company, and as many of us pointed out, IBR documentation done a good job. Yesterday I had like an unknown neighbor. I came to know a lot of things that then I thought he happens to be my neighbor. So much we are engrossed in our own work. Area where he has built a house, I have built a house. We have got very common things. So out of the way he came and helped me yesterday, some form filling and all. Such a helpful people are available. I wish you and your family very happy retirement, and I wish you all success in that. Thank you very much. Thank you for the right speech. I missed your know your English. He used to send one know your English. I was one of the very few fellows who pointed out that something he is not sending. Every day he used to send one know your English mail. Every day he used to send mail. If he is not sending, I will go to his seat and ask why you are not sending. To that extent, I love about English language and all. He also puts it very nicely. Good. I forgot to tell.
Sir, there are so many things I could not tell because of paucity of time, sir. தீபாவளிக்கு வாங்கின பட்டாசு கொஞ்சமாக கார்த்திகை தீபத்துக்கு ஒழிச்சு வச்ச மாதிரி vote of thanks சொல்றது பாலகிருஷ்ணன் சார் ஒழிச்சு வச்சிருக்கோம். நன்றி வணக்கம்.
மதிப்புக்கும் மரியாதைக்கும் உரிய விழா தலைமை, சிந்தனைக்கும் செயலுக்கும் உரிய பொது மேலாளர் திரு கோவிந்தராஜ் சார் அவர்களே, விழா ஏற்புரை மரியாதைக்குரிய பிரபாகர் சார் அவர்களே, நட்புக்குரிய நந்தகுமார் சார் அவர்களே, கூடுதல் பொது மேலாளர்களே, ஏனைய அலுவலக அதிகாரிகளே, ஊழியர்களே, நண்பர்களே, உங்கள் அனைவருக்கும் எனது பணிவான காலை வணக்கத்தை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். விழா ஏற்புரையாளர்களுக்கு வாழ்த்துக்குரிய முன்னாடை போர்த்திய நினைவு பரிசு வழங்கிய உங்கள் அனைவருக்கும், இவ்விழாவிலை அழைப்பிற்கேற்று வருகை புரிந்து இந்நிகழ்ச்சியில் கலந்து கொண்ட உங்கள் அனைவருக்கும், நீண்ட இடைவெளிக்கு பிறகு இந்த மேடை அமைப்பு இங்கு உருவாகி இருக்கிறது. இந்த கொரோனா காலகட்டத்தில் இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு அமைப்பு கலைஞ்சிருந்தது, திரும்ப வந்திருக்கு. அதில் இந்த ஏற்புரையாளர்கள் ரொம்ப ஒரு லக்கி அப்படிதான் சொல்லுவேன் நான். ஏற்புரையாளர்கள் நீண்ட ஆயுளோடும் நிறைந்த செல்வத்தோடும் நிறைந்த மகிழ்ச்சியோடும் நீடூடி வாழ எல்லாம் வல்ல ஆண்டவனை வேண்டிக் கொண்டு அழைப்பினை ஏற்று வருகை புரிந்து பொறுமை காத்து இந்நிகழ்ச்சியை சிறப்புற நடத்தி கொடுத்த உங்கள் அனைவருக்கும் மனமார்ந்த நன்றி கூறி, வாய்ப்புக்கு நன்றி கூறி விடைபெறுகின்றேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.